Hello students, this is Sumit Kumar coming with another video. So it's a second chapter, parallels and meridians. Now understand this diagram. Here you can see this is an equator and it is drawn in the middle of the earth. So above the equator these are north latitudes and these are south latitudes. And also the equator divides our earth into two equal parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So now let's understand what are parallels. Parallels are the imaginary lines which are drawn from east to west. Here in this diagram you can see these lines are drawn from east to west and they complete the whole circle, complete a circle, and these are marked as 0 degree. Equator is marked as 0 degree. It is situated at 0 degree, then 10 degree, 20 degree, 30, 40 degree, 50, 60, 70, 80, and then North Pole is situated at 90 degree. And like same as here, below the equator, 10 degree, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on. And the South Pole is at 90 degree. So there are some features of parallels. All parallels are complete circles except the North Pole and South Pole, which are points. Here you can see these all parallels are complete circles besides the North Pole and the South Pole, because these are points, not the whole circle. The length of the parallel keep decreasing as we move away from the equator to poles. Here see this diagram. As we move towards the poles, the length of each parallel is decreasing. Here you can see easily the length of each parallel is decreasing. All parallels are located at an equal distance from each other, and the distance between these parallels is equal. You can see here the distance between these parallels is equal, and also these lines neither touch nor cut any other parallel. And equator is the parallel that passes through the center of the earth. Now here are some important parallels. First, Arctic Circle at 66.5 degree north, Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degree north, Tropic of Capricorn at 23.5 degree south, Antarctic Circle at 66.5 degree south. We will understand this through the diagram. Here this is our North Pole and this is South Pole. This is our equator and this is Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. Now understand these topics. First of all, equator. As I above told you that equator is the longest line and it divides the earth into two equal parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. This zone is also called torrid zone because here the sun rays falls directly on the equator. So this region experience more heat. And above this, Tropic of Cancer, here the temperature is moderate, medium temperature takes place here. And now next, Arctic Circle, here the sun rays reach very hardly and very little, so here mostly part here is covered with snow throughout the year. Same as below, this part is torrid zone and here the sun rays falls directly, so this is heat zone. This is also called heat zone because the heat is maximum here. And below, the Tropic of Capricorn, here the sun rays falls slightly, so the heat here, the temperature is minimum and medium. Now here Antarctic Circle, here this is also called frigid zone because the sun rays can't reach here and the whole region is covered with snow throughout the year.